Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here because today I will show you how to create 25 videos in bulk with ChatGPT and Canva. In this tutorial, I will discuss all the tips and tricks to make these types of videos, and the techniques can also be applied to other trending videos such as the popular short video where people are asked to choose a gift. These videos, which accumulate millions of views on YouTube, can serve as inspiration for your own content creation. The tutorial is versatile, allowing you to customize the text, photos, or video clips to fit virtually any video idea. Creating riddle idea with ChatGPT. First, you head over to ChatGPT and write the content on ChatGPT in a table format. Say, give me 25 riddles and their answers in a table. Add a confused or question emoji at the end of the questions. Also add emojis to the answers where possible. So it gave us 25 riddles and answers with different emojis. Create a video on Canva. Now, we can proceed to Canva to create videos. Click on the Video tab. You have the option to choose different sizes, but for this tutorial, I'll select mobile videos, which will work for all social media platforms that accept portrait videos. Next, let's add a video background. Since we're creating a riddle video, navigate to the Elements tab and search for Riddle. Then, click on Video to display video results only. You need to find a related background that complements the theme of your video. In this case, the maze video seems suitable for riddles, so let's go with it. To provide more time for your video, increase its length. Currently, the video is 12 seconds long, but you can adjust the duration by clicking on Playback at the top and controlling the speed. Let's extend it to 16 seconds, which will be suitable for TikTok, Shorts and Reels video. Add an overlay. Now, let's proceed to add an overlay. You can do this by pressing the letter R on your keyboard to add a rectangle shape. Scale it up until it fills the entire canvas. To change the color of the overlay, click on the color option at the top and select black. Next, click on the shade icon to reduce the transparency. Adjust it to around 40% to achieve the desired effect. Add the texts. The next step is to add text. Click on the Text option located on the left sidebar. Select the first option to add a heading. Drag it up and write the topic, which in this case is Riddles and Answers. To change the font, click on the drop-down menu and select the font of your choice. For this tutorial, I'll use a free font called Payton 1. Then, increase the font size to around 64. Expand the text border and drag it up for better visibility. To make the text more eye-catching, you can add a background to it. Click on Effect and select Background from the available options. You can adjust the color and other settings as desired, but for now, let's leave it as it is. Next, duplicate this header by clicking the plus icon or pressing Ctrl+D. Drag the duplicated header downward and remove the background by going to Effects and selecting None. This box will serve as the container for the riddles. Go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the riddles from the conversation. Paste it into the box. Increase the font size to make it larger and move it upward. If the text appears too dark, click on Color and change it to white. Additionally, you can add some effects to it, such as a shadow or an outline. In this case, let's change the outline to black and increase the thickness to around 73. Add a timer. Now, let's move on to adding a timer. You have two options, a countdown timer or a progress bar. For this tutorial, we'll use the progress bar. To add a progress bar, insert a rectangle shape. Move it downward and scale it until it fills the starting and ending points you desire. Next, drag the rectangle down further and change its color. Let's choose a shade of red to make it visually noticeable and indicative of time running out. Add the answer box. Now, let's proceed to add the answer box. We can save time by duplicating the existing text. Click on the plus icon to duplicate it, and then drag the duplicated text downward. Next, copy the answer provided by ChatGPT and paste it into the answer box. To adjust the size of the answer box, you can drag the text border and scale it up using one of the handles. This will ensure that the answer is clearly visible and accommodates the length of the text. Add animations. Now, let's move on to adding some animations. We'll start with the heading. Click on the Animate option at the top. Feel free to explore the available animation options, and for this tutorial, I'll choose the Pop animation and leave it on Enter only. Next, select the question and choose an animation for it as well. In this case, I'll select the Ascend animation and set it to reflect on both Enter and Exit. For the answer, let's choose the Burst animation, as it appears more visually appealing. Leave it on Enter only for now. As for the progress bar, we'll apply a wiping animation. Additionally, we'll reduce the speed of the animation to give people more time to answer the riddle. To set the timing with the Canva secondary layer, play the video and observe that everything is displayed together, which is not desired. Click on the progress bar, then click the three-dot menu, or right-click on your mouse to bring up the options menu. Select Show Timing. This will bring up the secondary layer, since Canva doesn't have a separate layer for B-rolls yet. Now, let's set the timing. Pause the video at the desired point and drag the handle from the start to meet the playhead. Play the video to verify. Next, determine where you want the progress bar to stop loading. Drag the handle from the end to meet the current position. The position where the progress bar stops loading should coincide with the disappearance of the question and the reveal of the answer. Click on the question and drag the handle at the end to meet the playhead. Then, do the same for the answer by dragging the first handle to meet the playhead. Also, adjust the position of the answer by clicking on it and dragging it upward to the desired middle position. Once everything is set, play the video to see the final result. Canva Bulk Create feature. Now, let's proceed to the next step. Go to the App section on the left sidebar and search for Bulk Create. Choose the first result and select Enter Data manually. Before proceeding, clear the table by using the trash icon below it. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the data. Start highlighting from the heading and drag downward to copy all 25 riddles. Then, click on the first box in the conversation with the T icon and paste the data there. Mind it, if you want the background clip of each riddle to change, it is not possible in this section. I'll provide a workaround shortly. However, if you want to add multiple images or photos, you can do so by clicking on at the top. If you are satisfied with this, click on Done. The next step is to connect the data. Click on the question, then right-click, or click the three dots and select Connect Data. Choose the corresponding value, which is the riddle. Repeat the same for the answer and select the second value, which is the answer. Click on Continue on the left, and you'll see all the riddles. If there are any riddles you don't want to use, you can unselect them using the checkbox. Then, click on Generate 25 pages to continue. The system will generate 25 pages, and you can edit anything on each page. It may appear that the elements are overlapping, but the final video won't look that way. To download, select one page at a time by ticking on Download at the upper right corner and selecting each page to download. Now, let's discuss how to swap the videos and the workaround for changing the video. Go to each page and find a video you want to use. Let's search for a question mark. You can then drag one of the videos to the background. However, due to the presence of an overlay on the page, the video won't automatically replace the background upon dragging. To resolve this, click on the video clip on the left, then click on the three dots and select Replace Background. Repeat this process for each page to swap the videos accordingly. Now, your video is ready to upload. By the way, if you've received any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.